Hello everyone! Welcome back to Wow Talk English. Don't always say happy birthday. Here are some better alternative ways to wish people happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great one. I wish you the best on your special day. Wishing you many more candles to blow. Have a smashing birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year to come. May your life be filled with smiles. Hope you have an enjoyable birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday and hoping that you get everything you wished for. May your day be as awesome as you are. May your birthday be filled with joy and laughter. May your birthday be filled with laughter and presents. Have a fabulous birthday. Cheers to another beautiful year of your life. Cheers to another year around the sun. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. I wish you a wonderful birthday. Wishing you all the happiness on your special day. I hope you really liked the video. They are very useful to improve your English. Remember to practice them every day so you can build confidence, speak more naturally, and improve your English step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with me for more fun English lessons.